Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install the Zoom client on your Windows 11 computer. So first of all, you need to open a web browser. In my case, I'm using the Google Chrome, and in the search box, just type Zoom download. And here in the first result, you can see zoom.eos and download. So open up the first result in Google, and here you can see the download center. And we're gonna scroll down. Here we can find the versions like for 64-bit and for 32-bit. My operating system is running on 64-bit architecture, so I'm choosing the 64-bit option. And here you can see the download has been started. Now let's check it, and yes, the download is on progress. So right now we can see that the download has been finished, and we're gonna open the containing folder. Now just click on tab on folder, and here you can see the Zoom client. This is the Zoom installer, and we need to double click on that and click on yes when they will ask for the permission. Okay, no permission required. Here we can see that this is initializing and the Zoom client is installing. We are waiting for the next process. Let's try searching Zoom. Here we can see that the Zoom has been installed in our computer successfully, and the Zoom client opened automatically, and here you go. Now the Zoom is successfully installed in your device. So yep, that's all for today. We learned how to install Zoom client in our Windows 11 computer. Thank you for watching.